Alright, y'all, so jumping straight into the video. Welcome back. This is part 2 of me just installing the wig on my head. So what I'm doing right here is just using some makeup just to put on the lace so it can match my skin better and it can look more like scalp-ish. So you want to make sure that the wig is aligned correctly against like your hairline, because you don't want it too far back and you don't want it, you know, too far up. Once you lace your once you lay your lace down. And of course y'all know I use the Ghost Bond glue. I use 3 layers of it, and then, well, I use 1 layer, smear with the popsicle stick and blow dry it till it's clear, and then I repeat that step 3 times. So you want to be as careful as possible when you're laying your lace down, because you don't want your wig to be crooked. You don't want it to be too far down. You don't want it to be too far back. So you just take your time when you're placing your wig, because once it's placed on that glue, it's stuck. Unless you have like that glue remover. I never used it before. I don't own a bottle, so I don't know if that would work. But once that glue is stuck on your skin, it's stuck on there for at least 2 weeks. So y'all just make sure y'all careful whenever y'all placing y'all wig down on your head, because y'all don't want to be looking crazy either. So I actually learned a new method to, you know, blend in the lace good against your skin. I actually learned this from Miss Erica J. Like, she's one of my favorite YouTubers right now that I literally watch her every day. But literally you have to part out your baby hairs and then take some makeup powder and just basically, you know, press it into the lace. And that basically, all it does is like, it kind of give it like a blurry effect. Like, it get rid of those like the squares that you see whenever you come up to somebody and you see they lace. Like, it kind of give a blurry effect. Like, you kind of get rid of those squares and the lace look. You can't really tell from the camera, but I could tell when I was doing it, because I was like, well, let me try it, and if I don't like it, I'm not going to do it the whole thing. But it actually give you like a blurry effect, and it look more scalp-ish. And I do that to both sides, and I do it to my middle part as well. And as y'all can see, like when you go towards the bottom of my part, that circle, it looked like I overplucked it. That's actually like the beginning of the lace, not the beginning of the lace, the beginning of when my baby hair is going to start, and the beginning of the natural hairline. So I never overplucked it. But if I did overpluck it, they have this this black hairspray that you use. You simply just place your black comb over the part, and then you spray on top of it, and then like it fixes everything. Like, a lot of stuff is very fixable. But after I do that, all I'm gonna do is take my scarf and wrap it around my head to like kind of melt it in a little bit more. It's best to do it with an elastic band, but I didn't have one that was long enough, and I didn't want to go to the store, so I just used my scarf like I usually do and tied it down. Alright, y'all, getting ready to cut this lace. Y'all want to be as careful as possible. Like, you have to take your time when you're cutting your lace, especially if you really don't know what you're doing. Just take your time, cut in a zigzag motion. Don't ever cut too straight, because then you can see like the blunt line of the lace, and then it just makes it more obvious. And if it's zigzag, it kind of like, I don't know, it makes a difference. Like, I know it don't make sense, but it's just best to cut in a zigzag motion. And whenever you like melt it in, you really can't see the lace, rather if you just cut it straight. But cut as close to the hairline as possible. Take your time. Try not to cut the hair itself. And be careful whenever you're cutting around your ear. Alright, so any excess lace that you see that's a little bit too long, you can go back and just kind of, pull it back as much as you can, and then, cut the extra lace off. Still try to cut in a zigzag motion. And then what I'm about to do is try to make my baby hairs. Like, I cannot make baby hairs to save my life, y'all. Like, I try. I either make them too thick, or make them too thin, or make them too short, or make it too long. Like, I just try to do what looks good, or what works best out for me. I cannot use mousse. Like, I try to use the mousse. The mousse don't stay. Maybe I need to try Erica J foam, because I can't use mousse. Like, it just don't stay for me. Like, I just rather use edge control and a little bit of got to be spray, lay it down, and then I honestly call it a day after that. Alright, y'all, so I ended up like throwing on some lashes and fixing my eyebrows because I was about to go somewhere. But this is just me actually taking my time, trying not to burn myself with that hot comb, trying to get the top as flat as possible because I was trying to get rid of my egghead. It was a little puffy right there, but nothing that the hot comb can't fix. But I'm not doing too much more in this video. I was gonna like talk to y'all and leave this part like not with the voiceover, but this is my second time uploading this video, and just because my music was playing in the background, they had blocked the video, so I had to redo the video all over again. So this is basically the final look and me unwrapping from the baby hairs, and I'm gonna end up fixing it up a little bit. But I do appreciate y'all for watching, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, this is the final look.